Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I placed another order. I bought this off one of the online retailers, and the thing is that silver dropped a little bit, and as most of you know, I've been buying constitutional silver for most of the year because I've been getting it for a great deal, but I still want to make sure I focus on the other priorities, the other strategies I have for the year, and this happens to be one of them. So with silver dropping, I took advantage of, I actually found this on the Stacking Nerds YouTube channel. You know how she puts out quite frequently the deals. And when I went to the site and I clicked on it, it actually gave me an additional $5 off. And as you know, for silver purchases, hey, $5 is cuts into that percentage pretty good. So I was pretty happy to find it and take advantage of it. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, as we can see, this is wrapped up here pretty darn well. I'm not really sure how to get into this box. They definitely don't want anybody getting into it, so I'm just going to cut down the side here and hopefully not hurt myself in the meantime. I'm going to get into here and see what's in here. See how well they packed it, because I could hear it shaking around a little bit. Alright, so here's the goods. And here, most of you can tell what it is already. I'm going to have to get in there and get that invoice out of there. So let me go ahead and get that out of here for now. Just take a quick look at it. Yep, just an invoice. Interesting how this is labeled. We'll take a look at it. Tape stuck. So, as you can see, it's a roll of eagles. Let me turn my light down a little bit. Ooh, that wasn't down. That helps. So you can see it's taped up. It's got a sticker on there from something. So we pop these open. See what year they are. It's interesting because the invoice says 1 ounce pre-owned American Silver Eagle. So these are pre-owned. And we can see that they are 2012s. At least the top one is. Yep. Looks like they're all 2012s. Alright. So I don't want to get my prints all over them. I think being pre-owned though is, well, that's, don't want to bang them around too much. I think being pre-owned, I'll touch them by the sides. I should probably take a good look at them because I'm pretty sure they were listed as BU. I don't buy eagles that are cull. So let's go through each one real quick. They look pretty darn good to me. So yeah, they must be buying tubes off of people and turning around and reselling them, which is exactly what you would expect a bullion dealer to do, right? You guys want to take a look at one under the coin cam? I know you guys probably know what these look like, but we throw one under the coin cam and get a good look at it. Alright, so let's move the talking bullion around out of there. Put this one in there. Just lift up the coin cam a little bit. See if we can get the whole thing in there. Looks pretty good. I'll probably have to focus it. Yes, the American Silver Eagle, gorgeous coin. 2012. Very, very nice. This camera doesn't do it justice for sure. You can see it's in great shape. See if we can focus it a little better. Yeah. I think everybody agrees the American Silver Eagle is a beautiful coin. I know a lot of people are clamoring to have them change the design. They want new ones, different design, like some of the other government-issued bullion. But this is a classic design, so, and you know in 2021 they're changing it. So we'll see what happens with that. Let me put the Talking Bullion back in there because this is a beautiful round as well. And it looks pretty good. Switch back over. So yeah, I don't need to go through each one of these with you guys. Just looking for any obvious scratches or dings, or these all look really, really nice. Alright, all 2012s. It's alright with me. I'll take 2012s. I'll also take a tube of Eagles. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And why don't you go ahead and check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content. I think you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.